Guys, everyone, welcome back to yet another video. On this channel, we want to help you in your content creation process. I want to help you in the production part of the content creation process. We were talking about cameras, we're talking about editing softwares, we're talking about all that stuff, that good stuff. And today, I wanted to make a quick review of a website that is supposed to help you make your intro, your video intro for free. Let's get it. So the website is Intromaker.net. Pretty cool name, huh? On the homepage there, make sure that you know that you can have a free version of what you're gonna create on this website. So let's click on that really quick. And you can see here, there are different templates here, pre-made for you, for your intro, for your logo reveal. I like particles. And so I'm gonna pick particles today and click on one of these templates. And as soon as you click on that, you can click on make video and upload or drag and drop your file. And then you'll have options here. You can choose different colors of your background. This is the logo that I'm using today. So different colors, a color preset, or you can also type in the hex code of the color or just drag, just try to find the color that you want to be on the background of your logo. And as soon as you click on the make video, you will be asked to type in your email, and then the video starts, the process starts. And it depends on your connection, it depends on your computer, but it doesn't last long. I mean, it's not gonna take a long time to create this intro, and you're done. If you choose to try to download full HD, then you will be asked to pay $10, just $10. But if you want to do the free version, then you check your email. They have a download link there. You click on that and the download will start. And this is the final result. The quality is not that good because it's not full HD. And then we have the watermark. So, I mean, you can do something, try to do something with it. You can maybe crop and maybe use the intro at a, 70% scale. But I don't think you can do that legally. But here are some of the pros and cons of this free version of this website. So that was the website. Let me know in the comment section, guys, if it's something that you will use, if it's something that you feel like, I'm not gonna use this. To be honest with you guys, I don't think it's worth it. I know it's free, but turns out everything that is free is actually not good for me. It seems to be very convenient, but I don't think it's for me. I think one of the best website, if not the best website for content creators out there, is still Mixkit.co or .co.
This website, I believe this is the best website out there for content creators. They have videos there, they have stock photos there, they have stock videos there, they have video templates for text animation, transition, openers, YouTube openers. If you want a YouTube openers, they have templates there, video templates. They have it all there. And the good thing is it doesn't matter what major video editing software you're using. There is Premiere Pro templates there. There is Final Cut Pro templates there. There is After Effects templates there. There is DaVinci Resolve templates there. It's there. It's available for free and you can use it in your videos.
And if you use Mixkit.co, all you have to do is to download them and then learn how to install them in your editing software. And shameless plug right here, I'm gonna put my video on how to install your presets in Final Cut Pro right here. And that's it. Yeah, and now you can use them in your editing software. And then you also have controls over the parameters of the presets that you downloaded. Anyway, if you got some value from this video, guys, press the like button, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and push the notification bell so that you will never miss any content from this channel. And I will see you guys in the next one, hopefully.